I had filed in 2016, the end of 2016. I waited until March of last year. I got denied. I proved 4 of the 5. You know how you have to prove 5 pieces?
What'd you not get? What'd you not get?
The proof of joint residency. The marriage didn't last like too long, and I provided a medical record. I didn't have any lease or whatever.
You were physically abused?
No, abandonment. I filed under abandonment.
Well, you just filed one second. You filed a VAWA application under abandonment?
Yes.
There's no such
that
thing.
was the category.
No.
That's what I said.
No, stop. A VAWA application is based on physical abuse or extreme emotional abuse, not based on abandonment. There's no such thing as my husband abandoned me, I'm abused.
No. That's not, no. I filed it under VAWA with the like a subheading on for abandonment. They accepted it. I got the prima facie everything.
No, Alexis, you don't know what you're saying.
Okay.
Okay. There is no such thing as my husband abandoned me. I'm entitled to VAWA. That doesn't exist. What exists is my husband physically abused me. My husband I was abused by my husband in an emotional way, in an extreme emotional way. That's what it is. That's why you were denied, because you're not even sure what you need to prove.
No, I'm sure what the letter says.
No, I'm sure what the law is.
Okay.
All right? You have to be physically abused. You have to have extreme emotional abuse. It has nothing to... Your husband walking out on you is not abuse. That's him leaving a marriage.
I understand that, but the letter is saying it's for proof of joint residency that they denied it. So
one second, but you're not using the right words to describe to me how I can help you. So when you call on the show and you say I filed VAWA based on abandonment, that's gibberish. There's no such thing as I filed VAWA based on abandonment. I filed VAWA because my husband beat the crap out of me. I filed VAWA because I was emotionally abused in an extreme way. Those are the words that you use when you describe a VAWA application. Those are the words that you need to prove to get your VAWA approved. Your husband leaving you is not a VAWA application. Okay? So when I asked you a question, and the question is, what was the abuse? And you said abandonment. That's not abuse.
No, that's not abuse.
What was the abuse?
It was the emotional part that led to filing it and being left, abandoned and not having to, go through all that emotional distress and all of that.
Well, it's a weird thing. The reason why I'm saying it is it's illogical to me that somebody would be able to prove that they were abused by somebody, especially extreme emotional abuse, yet not prove they live together in the same household. It would be really difficult to be abused and be in a business marriage. So it's kind of illogical to me in that way. Now, did you refile your application again?
No, that's what I was calling you to ask. Should I go ahead and refile it?
You should go start putting it together again, but you can't file it until the government shutdown is over. What I would suggest is we have an office in Hartford, Connecticut. Okay. And I see you are in Hartford, Connecticut. I'm sorry if I blew your cover, but you're in Hartford, Connecticut. And maybe you should go see our office with your decision, and then we can advise you. And it's very close by. We're on 1 Congress Street, which is about 3 blocks from immigration up there. So hold on one second, okay?